Welcome back. Today's day 3 and we start our demo. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Previously, ew, there was condoms and a G-string.
We removed the camper jacks. The camper is now sitting flat onto the trailer. Some of the front tin is starting to get removed. We need to remove all the tin going up all the way up under the rotten bed, which is going to get dropped out and lowered. The frame still needs to be ground off and rust protected and painted. The trim is falling off. Back axle is not moved yet.
Every part of this has to be completely taken apart. You can see the ceiling is damaged anyway. The window looks like it's been leaking for a long time. All the wood has water damage. The vent frame is broken. All the cushions ready to come out. The cushions are going to need a good washing as well as sewing. Okay, everything's out of here. More razors. Oh, still more garbage. Thought I got it all out. I'm thinking of making the color black and white. Got all the curtains out. Have to take down cupboards to paint. It was nice to see that the floor was in good shape so we wouldn't have to redo that. Leave us a comment if you're working on your own project. Have to make sure the stove works. There is going to be a lot of sanding to do, but I have to see what I have to tear apart in this area first. Need to put in a backsplash around this stove. Time to start taking apart the bed area. These are what all the curtains look like. Someone did a pretty good job of sewing them. They all match. I think I'm gonna keep them. Took the wood with the lace off. Lots of bees everywhere. Looks like there's some damage in this area. They have a board here. Tomorrow we'll be taking this apart. If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching!